Hello, welcome back. In the previous practical walkthrough, we have completed the tab page for the basic functionalities. Now we are going to do the user interface for remote desktop and keylogger. So click on remote desktop and click on the tab page for remote desktop, which is tab page number 2. According to our design for this, there's supposed to be a picture box, a text box, and 4 buttons. So let's get started. So we put a picture box on top. Look for picture box, double click on it, and then we'll just resize it to fit the width. And then we will set the size mode over here to zoom. Then we add a text box at the bottom. So we double click on the text box and drag it to the bottom. We expand the size a little bit, and then we add 4 buttons at the bottom. Is the first one, the second button, third, and the fourth button. For the button number 5, the title that we are going to set is hello. So we're just recreating what we did in the previous sessions for this keylogger. So for this button, we click on it and change it to hello. And then for buy, for the second one, we change it to buy. And then for this button, we set it to picture as a text. And then this one, we set it to stop climb. After that, just resize it. So make each one of them the same size, just resize it accordingly for all the 4. So that now we have completed the remote desktop user interface. Now let's move on to keylogger. For keylogger, there will be a text box and then 2 buttons at the bottom. So now we'll put a text box on top. Make sure tab page 3 is selected. This is tab page 3. Double click on text box and then go to the property multi-line and select true. Now we can resize it to fill the width. Then we put a scroll bar as well. So we scroll down and look for the scroll bar. Select vertical scroll bar. Then we'll put 2 buttons at the bottom. One on the left and one on the right. Button 9, we'll change the text to get keystrokes. And button 10, we'll change the text to stop climb. And then we need to resize so that we can see the entire text. And we resize this to make it uniform. Click on save. So with that, we have completed our user interface for all the 3 modules: basic, remote desktop, and keylogger. So that's all for this practical. In the next one, we'll start to do the coding for the command and control server. See you then. Thank you for watching.